Good morning, Tristan.
Good morning.
Why is it funny when I jump up and down?
Where's she going? What is she doing?
What are you playing with?
A glass of scotch with ice.
Uh.
No, just ice water. Just kidding. That's gotta be cold. Oh. Oh.
How's that taste? No ice. You can't eat the ice.
Throw it at mommy. Throw it at mommy.
All right, say bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.